If you want to enable or disable your game mode on OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your games application. It's pre-installed in all of the OnePluses. There it is. Press agree to and continue. And let's press get started. So to activate it, simply press My Games right here. Now here in your My Games, you can press on this three dots, press Manage My Games. And here you'll see the list of games which you have your game mode activated. So choose the game. Unlikely I don't have any games, but anyway, choose any game or application which you want open up in your game mode. For example, Netflix, it works as well too. So let's press add. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.